Hello YouTube, coming back at you. We're gonna go ahead to the Wigs and Braids store to pick up some natural hair product. Why are you laughing? That's so funny. Huh? With me and my daughter, we just came back from the Wigs and Braids store, so I wanted to show you what we picked up. Well, she already took her gel and she won't let me show it on video, but I also picked up this hair food because with these braids, they've been in for about a week, and let you see it. You can check out one of my other videos. I show you how I installed these braids. I mean, they're pretty convenient, easy to maintain, but with synthetic hair, you always get a dry scalp, and so I needed a little bit more moisture than just the Blue Magic or the coconut oil. So I picked this up, and I want to show you what I do. And you can see that I usually don't have dry scalp, but being natural for 4 years, 3-4 years, when it comes to putting synthetic in, wig feel comfortable for me anymore. I'm not going to keep this in long, maybe 3 weeks tops, but because I get real irritated and then I want to feel my hair again. And so this is just a protective styles to not touch my hair, keep my fingers out my hair, because that's the best way to get your hair to grow. I usually do a little water, and I put coconut oil in this as well. Just a little bit. You don't want to damp all through your braids because then you'll get mildew, because you have to let it dry properly. So I'm going to use the shea butter hair food that I just picked up. It was only $2.09. So we're gonna see how this works, and I just pretty much go in between. Wait, first we have to open it. So with short hair, I just get my old faithful bonnet, put everything in there, and then